Have you ever wondered how you could start making money online without breaking your bank and without putting thousands and thousands of hours in? Well, guess what? Today in this video, we're going to be going over a method that I use every single day. It takes me about 10 minutes per day, and I earn roughly around $5,000 to $7,000 a month doing this. And anybody can do this. By the way, my name is John Artsberger, and on my channel, I teach people just like you how to start making money with affiliate marketing and digital marketing, other aspects of marketing. But we do this using different methods that I've been using for the last 5 years. I've earned well over 7 figures each year for the last 5 years, and I teach people for free how to do that on YouTube. So if you're interested, stick around and we will jump into this training. All right, guys, before we get started, let me just show you guys what's going on with my channel here. So this is the series that you guys landed on. This is a training series for affiliate marketing. We're using a platform called MLGS. This platform gives us leads. Basically, these leads are people that are interested in making money online, and we're utilizing these leads in this series to build income. We're able to use this platform and send them emails. We're basically doing mass email marketing and emailing these leads with a product, an affiliate product, and we earn a commission on it. So that's what the series is. You guys that just joining this series right now on this video, you might want to start on video day 1 so that you can see how we're setting this up and how you guys can utilize this. You can also watch this video and just kind of see what we're doing so that you can see if you're interested, and then go back to video day 1 and start there. We also have a more technical affiliate marketing series right here on top that you guys can check out. But yeah, that being said, let's jump into today's training. So we're going to be doing our mailing for today with MLGS. And just to lay out what we're going to be doing here, these first 5 videos are going to be using MLGS with HBA, which is our other affiliate offer that we're promoting. After this video, we're going to move into promoting MLGS itself because it actually earns a really nice commission. And I'm going to talk about that in the next video. So let's just go ahead and carry on with this, get our emails sent out for today. So again, we're going to go over to ChatGPT, right? This is, I mean, it just makes it so much easier for you guys. When I used to teach these series before, I would actually teach people how to write their own emails, engaging emails to send to people, but this makes it so much easier, okay? So we're gonna say, create me an engaging email to send, to entice people to order or to join my affiliate program called the Home Business Academy. You can find it here, my25cashbiz.com. So you would want to put your affiliate link there, your domain that we you know, your domain or your affiliate link, to give it reference of what this is. We're gonna put that in. It's gonna go through. There you go, a simple $25 business you can start today. Perfect. So we're gonna actually copy this. And what we're doing right here by adding this link, we didn't do this in the other videos, but this is just another way that you guys can do this to where you can actually collect leads. Now you're going to be collecting them anyway, sending them to your HBA affiliate link. You know, if you saw the other videos, we were sending them to that link. The reason I'm sending them to this link is because I have another capture page set up through this link. So you guys who know, who have gone through and joined the $25 business, you guys would already know that you went through 2 capture pages, right? To join. One of those capture pages collects the leads for me, right? And one collects them for HBA to do email marketing for you. I do email marketing myself, so I want to collect my own leads as well. Now I already have these leads on MLGS, but what this does is it puts them automatically into my direct emailing system, to my emailer, right? That I have going out every day. So it's just another way of doing it. Basically, you guys are going to want to use your HBA affiliate link. So just so you know, we'll go over to our HBA account. You guys will remember where to go once we get in here. just a second. So they did an update that obviously has a new page here, but we're just going to go over to our affiliate tab, and down here you're going to grab your link. That's your link that you guys are going to be using in your mailing system. Okay, so where it says this link here, you can add your link there. If you guys have already created another domain and done what I've done, then you can do that. But that's another step that you don't have to technically do, okay? I'm just doing it because that's what I do. So we're gonna go down here. Let's actually copy this title first. So copy that, paste it in the subject line. Go back over here, make sure to copy all of this. Now we're gonna obviously modify this just a little bit. Down here, you want to erase everything, hit Control and V to paste that in. And right here, we're going to copy this name tag right here. Copy that. And we're going to be entering this with the Control V right there. I have an extra space, okay? So that looks good. Hit perfect timing. Now go back up to the top. Just make sure you've selected all your leads. You've added your subject line. And you've added your email, okay? Then we're gonna go ahead and hit send email. We're gonna send that over. That's gonna get us some sales, right? So you guys are actually stacking up by now probably quite a few leads. Chances are you're probably already getting a couple sales. So that's pretty cool. Let me know in the comments when you guys get your first sale. I would love to see that, okay? We're gonna keep doing these videos, so you guys let me know in the comments when you start generating your commissions. So that's good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna send to our second system. We're gonna duplicate this. Right? If you have more than one account, if you don't worry about it. If you do, great. If not, it's okay too, right? You can start getting more accounts as you start making more and more money. Now, what's cool about HBA is you're earning this same revenue every month. You're building a recurring income because this is a funnel builder that we're sending them to, and that funnel builder is a monthly fee. Right now we're just copying from the duplicated system, the duplicated page, and we're just gonna paste that in here with the Control V, hit perfect timing, and then we'll send this one off. Let me just double check that I hit my leads. Yep, we're gonna send this one off. So that's it, right? And then you just do that with if you have 5 accounts, you just do that with all 5 of your accounts. If you have 1 account, then you just use your 1 account. So that's perfect. I'm thinking about setting up another training that's turned $1 per day into $1,000 per month, which will be using 1 account instead of multiple accounts for some of you just following with 1 account. This series is, I use 5 accounts for each affiliate offer that I'm promoting. So that's where you get the $5 per day. 5 of these accounts, that cost me $5 per day, okay? So, but we're building a recurring income with it. So you're building an income that's going to be paying you month after month after month after month after month, right? And we're going to be doing that in the next video. We're going to be actually sending them to MLGS, which is going to also do that same thing. So, because it's a monthly fee that they're paying, right? This is what we're doing. And these are valuable tools and products that they are able to use. Like, these work great. I've made millions of dollars with both of these companies. So they're legitimate products for affiliates. Okay, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, make sure that you comment down below. I'll check them and I'll get back to you, answer any questions. There are other programs that you can use this mailing system for. Just make sure that if you're an affiliate for those programs, you double check with them that you have, that they accept mass email marketing, okay? All right, guys, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next one.